This video focuses on providing the safest idea regarding recording the references based on UW version of our referencing using the Microsoft Word. This might not be the best option, but this is the safest way to record references based on UW version of our reference using Microsoft Word. So before you start, I should mention that all the references need to be recorded in API style, because API style is one of the most sophisticated academic referencing styles in the world. It stores each and every information necessary for referencing. So I suggest, if you like, you can record each and every information in the reference system based on API style using Microsoft Word. Thereafter, you keep the references developed based on API style by Microsoft Word into a newly opened Word document. So this was done because we need to ensure that we have a backup reference in case of we lost any document related to any other academic document. So we go to the next part. After having copied in these references into a new Word document, we will convert this API style document into our Anglia. I'll show it again. We go to reference tab, style, and we select our Anglia. It should be noted that I really suggest you to make in-text references using a UW version of Harvard, because there's a little bit difference between the standard Harvard reference system and the UW version of Harvard reference system. Also, I suggest you to manually record the in-text referencing based on UW version of Harvard reference system. After this is done, so we will go to the adjust this version into the UW version of our referencing system. As you can see, there is no difference between the name recording in terms of both system. However, when it comes to the year of publication, the UW version records the year of publication within brackets. So we need to adjust this year of publication into within brackets and remove dot and comma, leave space. When it comes to the name of the journal article, UW version of our reference system records the first letter of first word should be capital and the rest of the word should be in lowercase. So in this case, I will cover all the rest of the words in the reference into lowercase. It's okay. When it comes to the name of the journal, it's always same as in both systems, so there it won't be a problem. So when it comes to volume number and the issue number, there would be no problem at all regarding the recording of references in both systems. When it comes to the page number, UW version use only one P. So we adjust. Now this is the correct version of the UW version after adjustments. It should be noted that if this document is derived from the online source, so we need to add another section. We had to derive it from the online our reference system provided by UW version. So in this case, we need to add online available link this part. and copy and paste. Paste. Keep text only. Yeah, there you go. Right. Now this is the time to use our backup reference system. So we will go to our document. We will give the link which we use to derive our documents. Okay. Now we replace this one with the exact one. Right. Now we go to the access date. 7th of June to 2020. So we go and adjust it. Right. June. Now it is perfect. Now the Word document has been converted in the UW version of the Harvard referencing system in a safest way. There are so many options available there are so many websites which you can use to make referencing and cut it there. But the downside of it that if you there's no backup referencing system in case you need to have a reference to those academic references. If the supervisor asks from which source did you derive this document, you need to have a backup document which includes all the information regarding the document you derive. So in this case, I think this is the safest way in the case of recording references for UWL version of the Harvard reference system using Microsoft Word.